The bull market is here. The bull market is here. Here's why you need to load up on some Bitcoin before the bull market goes in full effect. Guys, I'm bringing you guys the latest and greatest news around Bitcoin, crypto, and finance. And here's the thing, we're about to see some crazy all-time highs from here. Everything is set up in perfect place for Bitcoin and the overall crypto market to pump like crazy. Before the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps the channel tremendously. And welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan. Let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin currently at $59,000. At any moment now is going to break past $60,000, hopefully causing an upward trajectory. Now, I want to highlight first of all some bearish things. There's a couple of bearish things, and then a lot of bullish things. So let's start with the bad, okay? In terms of community sentiment, 64% are bearish. And it looks like there's a lot of short positions on Bitcoin. So hopefully that causes people to just revenge buy and kind of fight against these guys. But yeah, that is something bearish about Bitcoin right now. Also, in terms of the market, fear and greed index at 33, fear, which is also bearish because Bitcoin, Ethereum, meme coins, everything's pumping, which means people are buying. But the markets are in fear, which is interesting. So those are two things I want you guys to just keep in the back of your mind as I continue on in this video, and we take a look at some pretty interesting things. In terms of the trending tab, guys, Bitcoin's trending in number 3. Obviously, there's a lot of attention on Bitcoin right now. Everybody's taking a look, probably glance at their bag every so often. I mean, I'm guilty myself. And again, Bitcoin at a $1.1 trillion market cap. And here's some things that are causing it to pump. So first of all, this man thinks Bitcoin could hit $13 million. This is a CEO from MicroStrategies, Michael Saylor, who's just absolutely bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping hard. Bitcoin's going to $60,000. That's imminent at this point, probably going to happen by the time I post this video. And now let's go to the plethora of articles I've gathered and tweets that I want to share with you. So breaking news, 3 Bitcoin bulls to enter the US government. The biggest bull ever is coming. We can see some 3 legends on the screen right now: JFK Jr., Donald Trump, and then Elon Musk. New MicroStrategy and BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF combined holds 602,000 Bitcoins worth $35 billion. Are you paying attention? They see something here. Why aren't we seeing the same thing? We can see gold has just hit all-time highs. Bitcoin prices generally follow gold. We see gold over here and now breaking through, and Bitcoin following a similar pattern over here, and hopefully will break through as well. Typically, we see these patterns repeat itself, like when Bitcoin pumps, gold pumps, and gold pumps, Bitcoin pumps. That being said, we're probably going to see Bitcoin pump very soon. Big breaking news: Coinbase launches a wrap to Bitcoin on Ethereum and Base. Bull run is just getting started. And then just for the memes, you know, you gotta put it for the memes. All right, crypto markets entering Q4, and that's how it's feeling. Even the stock market is pumping, which is great to see. Hopefully this will reflect obviously on the crypto market as well. And we see even on Twitter, like trending, BTC trending at 59,000 posts. All right, the US elections are bullish for Bitcoin no matter the outcome. In 2016 we had Trump, and we've seen right after the election Bitcoin or crypto pump like crazy. 2020, even though we had Biden, right after election, crypto did go to pump. And then as for 2024, we are going to see the same thing. Now, this is not necessarily if Trump comes in or somebody else comes in, Kamala comes in. The point here is when the elections happen, a lot of changes happen within the economy because these new presidents had to make some change, some instant change. And that being said, more money flows into the market and people are about to invest more aggressively. That being said, if you're actually watching this video right now, it would make extreme sense for you to load up on meme coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, Solana, Ripple, whatever it is, because we are about to see a pump. It happens time and time again, guys. Don't be the person who's going to sit back 2 years from now when all this fizzles out and go like, next bull run, I'm going to catch it. Make sure this is a bull run that you catch it, okay? Catch your pumps, all right? It's coming, $250,000 Bitcoin. Now, I don't know, guys, $250,000. I know it's drawn off from a chart, but at this point, let's break to 6-figure Bitcoin and then go for crazy price predictions. But again, this is technically not as crazy when we take a look at Mike Saylor's price prediction, which is what, $13 million a coin. At that point, even having 1/10 of a Bitcoin would be a solid peg for you and I, which would be absolutely insane, right? Breaking news, records at gold breaks new record price at 2,542 for an ounce. Probably nothing. Again, going back to the earlier tweet I showed you guys, when gold pumps, Bitcoin usually follows, and we're seeing a trend, right? We can see just in MicroStrategy buys another 18,000 Bitcoin for $1.1 billion. There's another tweet just sharing the same thing. Now they have 244,000 Bitcoins, which is insane. MACD gold, golden cross Q4 is going to be very interesting. So again, just getting ready for the pump. It's about to get crazy. Bitcoin could serve as a hedge against increasing global disorder and declining trust in governments, banks, and fiat currencies, says BlackRock, which is absolutely massive. You know, that's some pretty bullish news for Bitcoin. Now, this is for the stock market, but again, things trickle over into crypto market as well. But huge comeback for stock market and in the greens. Okay, that's very, very bullish. That's great. Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin just broke $59,500. Bears are totally effed. All eyes on $62,000, as that's probably the next only hit, and slowly after hitting the $70,000 range. Bitcoin is ready for a huge bull run. Whenever the MACD applied to US money supply, coupled with Chinese 10-year treasury bonds, makes for a bullish crossover. Then Bitcoin bull run begins, no exceptions. Now a bull cross is imminent, and we can see just history repeating itself time and time again. And now this one's sitting at $380,000 Bitcoin. So again, we're very close. We've been on it since the halving, guys. I'm excited to see what's coming soon. Uber CEO wants Bitcoin and crypto as a payment method soon. That's gonna be absolutely massive, bringing some more real world utility. As for technical reports, guys, again, still very bullish. Oscars on buy, moving average on buy, summers on buy. So other than the two bearish things, which I started the video off with, I wanted to get the bad out first. The outlook on crypto and Bitcoin is looking very bullish, and I'm very excited for what's to come next. Now, again, none of this is financial advice, but are you loading up on Bitcoin? Let me know in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.